Hello, today we're going to try solve this Rubik's Cube. It's scrambled, so we're going to try solve it in my best record. Okay, let's start. So first we're going to begin with the first layer. So the first layer is where we just like make a daisy. After making a daisy, then I'll tell you what to do. So let me just solve the first layer. Okay, so that's done. I'm trying my best record here, so yeah. Wish me best of luck. Wish me best of luck. So now we make the corners. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now it's almost done. The first layer, not the whole cube. People have done it in I don't know, maybe like world records, but I'm doing it in like minutes. Yeah, I'm just trying. Put this here. Now the first layer is complete. Look, the first layer is complete. Now we go on to the second layer, a little bit harder, but as you know it'll get easier. Now we do this. Fingers are hurting because of rotating. So, orange there. Now we solve the blue second layer and the red second layer. So now we're going to just search it. Okay. Now we do this. And now we do this. Now we completed the second layer. Look guys. And by the way, I'm not cheating if you think I am. So it's been 2 minutes. Now we're going to do the annoyingly third layer. It's very annoying. So we're just going to do that. And do that. And now the corners. Very annoying. Okay. So now that we do this, now I'm thinking that's correct, and that is correct, and that is correct. Yes, now we solve. Now we're solving the third layer. Still not done. We're trying to solve the yellow side now. We're almost done. Done. Almost done. So now we do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again we have to do 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, it's done. 5 minutes. In 4 minutes. Done. See you in the next video of solving the Rubik's Cube.